Hi there, this is Chris from usegrid.com, and in this brief video I'm going to show you how to modify your email address in the forms that are provided with the template packages, and you can use this information when you're building your own site as well. So we're going to jump straight in. We're on the Enhance template here. So if we go to the contact page, we've got the contact form here. And I'm just going to move this over here so that you can see in better detail. If I click on the form, I get a little blue arrow. If I click that, I get my options. Now here's the contact form name, and here we've got the you@yourdomainname.com, and that's obviously where you put your email address in. Okay. Now you can put multiple email addresses separated with a semicolon. So you could put as many email addresses as you like in there. Obviously you don't want to put too many, but you could have an info at, a sales at. And you can also add extra form fields here. So you can add, let's say for instance, we've got a capture in who. Oh, didn't like that, and I didn't put a valid email address in. I've got capture forms in here. I can create my own single line or multi-text fields like message boxes and so on, and these are predefined ones here as well. But another quick thing that you might like to take a look at is if you do put a capture in, you can actually change the color of this capture here. So if I click on that, and I've noticed I've clicked on the form, I've then clicked on the item, and then I've clicked on the box itself. And after I bring over the palettes here, I've got my fill color here, so I could change that. Let's put that in let's say an orange. And I've got my text color here, and I can change that. Let's put that in a red. So you can see you can easily change the capture code colors. It's not essential, but it's nice to style up the all of the different elements to match your website from an aesthetics point of view. So once you've done that, then your form's ready to go, and will forward to the whatever email addresses you've put in this form. Now don't forget, you need to change that on any forms within the site, so it's not change it once on one form and it changes across the site. So if you go into, if there's any other forms, for instance here on the home page, you would also need to change that address there. So let's go you@yourdomainname.com, and don't forget to press the enter button. Don't just type it in. Let's just move this around a minute so you can see it a bit better. Don't just type it in and leave it. Definitely press the return key, the enter button on your keyboard to make sure that that's locked in there. And that's it, and then just publish, and when somebody submits that form, it will forward the results onto the email address you provided. Hope that answers your questions as to how to change your email address on forms, and thanks for